What a wonderful way to start the category off by Rebecca, Janika, Hansulige, Eli. Thank you, dancers. The title of the choreography was...
I'm Arabella.
Yeah, nice to meet you. So how did it go?
I think pretty well. Yes.
It was very powerful, I would say. I've seen your group over the years doing amazing campaigns that needs a lot of coordination and cooperation between each other with the dancers. What makes your group special?
Yeah, I think we're really energetic and powerful, and we have this like good energy between us. And I'd say we just know what we're doing on stage, and that's what brings us.
Yeah, I can totally see that. And the other question before we see your points, why anyone should be dance? Why should we dance? It's a little bit provocative question, but let's see what's your answer.
I would say that dance is like very creative. It's like a way to express your feelings and emotions, like with your body. So, yes.
Well, very good answer. Thank you, answer. All right, are you ready to see the points? Are 20. So, stage presence is 10 points. That's the maximum. Good job. And visually,